Hey everyone and welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add GIFs on Shopify. So for that, you need to add a custom section. First of all, you can see I'm on the theme editing section, and over here we need to add another section. Like for example, click onto this plus and add section. Here, scroll down. You need to search in here for custom liquid or custom section. So I'm going to be adding a custom liquid. And in here I can simply put any code in here, so you can copy any code from internet for the GIF. Let me just do it. Alright, so once you added your GIFs on Shopify, you can see basically copied your code from a different section. You need to enter that liquid code over here. Make sure that it does look something like this, or you can copy this exact code and modify this URL over here. Now you can see our GIF is showing up in here. If you want to make it small, you can change the size from this width option. You can see it is looking nice. If you want to make it center aligned, you can do that as well. So yeah, that's how you add GIFs onto your Shopify store.